how to fix moisture detected in charging port error on Samsung Galaxy. So if you want to fix moisture detected in charging port error on your Samsung Galaxy, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. If you get a sudden moisture detected error in the USB port, an error message will be displayed and charging will stop. In this case, you need to unplug your device from the charger, then wipe with a dry cloth or gently shake your device for 5 to 10 times with the port facing downwards to release any excess moisture. You can place your phone on a cloth in a well-ventilated area or dry with a fan. But make sure that excessive force or shaking may cause damage to your phone. So when shaking your device, be gentle. The water drop icon, if it doesn't go away when it's dry, or if you experience issues with charging even after drying your device, then try clearing your USB cache. This could resolve your system error. From the settings, navigate to the apps, then tap on Filter and Sort icon. Move the switch to the right to enable Show System Apps, then tap on OK. Scroll to the USB settings and tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache located on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to clear your USB cache. Or if that doesn't fix, then you can try using another cable. Charge your device with another cable, as moisture may be present in your cable, which is triggering the moisture icon. Or you can also try using a wireless charging. So these were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.